Hello everybody and welcome back. On today's episode it's Out with the Old and in with the new. Project Proton is finally getting its engine swap. So normally when you swap an engine, the first thing you always want to do, remove your battery, jack up the car, things of that nature. However, for me, I'm going to undo these CD bolts because they're very, very tight. So I have a friend here which is called the Persuader, and I hope it'll be enough. One sec. Yes! One is loose. Take two. Ooh. The car is now raised up, so let's get to work. So we are making some pretty good progress so far on removing the old engine. There isn't a lot that I can film, to be very honest with you, because I'm just here on my own and I want to get it done. But I'll show you what's been done so far. So the fluids have been drained. There's the coolants and the oils. And if we look now into the engine bay, we can see that the exhaust has also been removed. Well, kind of in any case. You can see over here, it's just kind of flopping around being happy. But air filter box, beginning part has been removed, and a few other hoses and connections and things like that. So what we're going to do now is work on the top, remove all of the vacuum hoses, coolant hoses and things of that nature. And then we're going to drop the engine from below. Now, if you're a Proton or a Mitsubishi expert, you might disagree with me in saying that it's actually easier to lift the engine up. But the last time we tried that with the limited spacing that we had, we ran into some problems. It's stuck. So this time we're going to try to do it the other way around. Let's go to it. Quick update for all of you guys watching. The engine is just about ready to be dropped, which is very exciting. Everything has been removed. Let's show you what still needs to be done. Alright guys, let's have a look here. So, this is our 4G15, which is going to be removed. It's done really well for us. It's kind of, gotten us to where we are now, so respect for this little engine. If anyone has this and they enjoy it, I completely understand why. In any case, as you can see, we've already removed here all the shifter cables. The clutch down there is also removed. The speed cable is also removed. The whole airbox assembly is removed. The fuel lines have all been removed. The cooling hoses for the heater core is also removed. Power steering is removed. All the wiring to the alternator is removed. Exhaust is removed. Basically, everything is ready to go. Let's drop her. It just fits. Perfect. All right, the engine is hoisted up. The bar on the bottom that's under the engine, which I guess all my Proton Mitsubishi people know about, those bolts are removed, and now, yeah, it's ready to be dropped. So we are gonna go drop this engine now, and this one has served us really well, but now it's time for an upgrade. The crane is gone, which could only mean that the engine is out. And there it is, the mighty 4G15 engine, which has powered us on the Nürburgring. And it's finally out. Admittedly, this does look a little bit like a mess, and you're absolutely right that it is. But now what we're gonna do is lift the car up and then pull the engine out from under. Flash forward a bit, getting a bit tired now, but check it out. It's out! Well, half. Now it's out. Whew! Oh, that feels good. So, the old engine is finally out of this car. And it only took a few hours. Removing things are always a little bit easier. Installing, that's when it gets a little bit trickier and a little bit longer. And it's also something that I don't wish to do alone. Having said that, through the magic of editing... Selamat pagi. It's so nice that you came to join me.
I know. It's good to be back.
It is.
You know, I feel really bad because we have like 4G15, 4G13, 4G93P.
Yep. Oh, yeah, that's my corner.
What's that? H22?
That's an H22A, H22A5, and a B16A2.
That's insane.
Yeah, it's getting a bit out of hand, I have to admit that. Yesterday, I thought it was easier to drop the engine, which is why the subframe is still connected, or at least part of it. And we're going to lift it up, remove that, see if it fits there with some new mounts, and go from there.
Okay. Ready? I am. Let's do it.
Let's do it, man.
Okay. Swapping the subframes.
Yep, we took it off. This thing is crusty.
Yes. Where's the new one? Yeah.
Better, doesn't it?
Way better. 4G15 away.
Correct.
And now we're gonna pick up the new power unit.
See if the sub fits.
See if the sub fits.
And if it fits, we'll slide it under the car and then lift again from in the car. Reverse of what you saw previously.
You need to get a shower, man.
Sorry?
You need to go mandi.
Mandi?
You need to mandi.
Do you see a mandi here?
No.
It's a workplace. Good. Okay. I think this is the first time we ever lifted the engine, right?
I think you're right.
I think we made sure to get the right motor mounts.
Yeah.
Swap those over.
The clutch mechanism for the transmission we need to swap over from our other one.
Yep.
So that's number one. We need to compare a couple more things. Am I missing anything?
The CV boots.
CV boots need to come out.
Yeah, they're still the old ones, so we have to pop those out. And
It should be gold.
I think so. On the alternator.
But that's something you can do after. We don't need to.
Fair point. So let's do those two things, and then we'll start.
Let's do it.
The 4G15, it had this. You see, there was I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's held in with a clip, and it had this big cantilever on it. But the engagement here is different, so this won't work. So I took this thing from my H series engine, and let's see if that'll work.
It looks like it.
I think we have a winner.
Good.
So it just goes to show you need a Honda to make a Proton work. No?
No.
We're going to get a few dislikes for that one.
Yeah. Dislike in the comments and say Yoakum's a cunt for putting Honda stuff
Don't
on a
use
Proton.
that word, because then we have to flag it in YouTube.
Okay.
Yoakum is a continuous source of inspiration.
Yes.
It's good, man.
Yeah, it is.
I'm so pleased with ourselves. It's going well.
So now,
Yeah,
training.
we tested the sub. It fits. The new engine mounts, they fit. I bought them like months ago. It didn't fit our old ones, but it fit this one.
They're good.
It's destiny, man.
It's destiny.
And then we just have to move the Proton into position, lift that up, slip this under, bolt it into place, and see how it's hanging in there.
Wait, you hear that?
Yeah, what? Oh yes.
Yeah. It's
It's a bit lifted.
It's a bit of clearance.
Flexing. See if it doesn't. Yeah, it's pretty stable.
Okay. Okay, for this part, we're not gonna film a lot, I don't think.
Nope.
Okay, we'll come back to you when it's in the engine bay.
Yeah.
It's in.
It is.
Kind of. We still have to put the sub in, but it's hanging under its own weight.
Oh, yes.
And you could shake it and you'll see it's not really like right, but.
No.
But it's in, so hey.
Yeah.
Maaf,
McD. Makan. Cepat.
Macad's. I love Macad's. You can tell, right?
Let's get some food. What did you get?
Ayam. Chicken. It's not chicken burger. It was
I am
special.
Ramli. I am special.
Oh, I wish.
Oh, I have a roti John. Roti John.
You know what I need? You know what I've always wanted to try?
Yeah.
The Manara. You know the Ramli Manara.
I've never had that.
You know what I mean? The one that's stacked up really
Yeah.
high.
Yeah, I
want
do.
to try that. If you've ever tried it, tell me if it's worth it.
Just write in the comments. I have. Okay.
Comfortable at work.
Look at this man doing electronics again.
Yeah, because you don't know how.
I do. I know how to put in a light bulb.
Okay. I don't mind electronics, to be honest. But do you?
There, bike.
Let's lower the car. I know it's comfortable or whatever, but.
Your mum. All right, so we're gonna end it today.
Yes.
Engine's in. Wiring, it's all there. We gotta plug everything up.
Yeah, we just have to figure it out, but we had a look and it's okay.
So yeah, it's a bit of a mess,
It's not too bad.
but we'll get it done. Okay, so after I did all the hard work and Joachim didn't do anything.
Hey man.
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, we have to get a lot of stuff still, and it's going to take a long time before we fix everything.
Nah, not that long.
Yeah, well, we need to get a lot of parts.
Yeah, that's true. It depends on the delivery time. But,
Yes, exactly, and then we can finally get started. So it's going to take some time before we finally drive the car on the engine.
But the end is in sight.
Very much so.
And it's just a few more things if you think about it. and then it's ready to go.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'm really excited. It's so exciting.
Yeah. All right.
Is that where we end it today?
That's where we end it. So, good. Till next time.
And stay tuned, because this thing's gonna run. We're gonna make it run. Mark my words.
Yes. Okay. Selamat tinggal.